Hey, Janet and the Performance Plumbing team. This is Jason from Virginia Beach Web Designs. Thanks for taking my call earlier today, and thank you for clicking on this video. What we're going to do today is briefly show you 3 easy ways to improve your website so you can start bringing in more customers. And if you're wondering why I'm making this video for you, it's really simple. There's a lot of business owners out there who don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. And what's holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who's an expert and who's not. So I found by making these attack plans and giving them away for free, some business owners do the work for themselves, and some call me back and ask me for help. So if you want some help with this, give me a call and we can chat. And if you want to do it yourself, please do. I'm trying to help out as many business owners as I can. So I'm going to talk to you today about content, backlinks, and citations. So first of all, your website. It's a beautiful website. It's a great looking. It's laid out well. It's easy on the eyes. It's easy to follow. There's no glitches or anything or crazy looking things going on here. Unfortunately, Google does not rank based on how good your website looks. They do it based on content mostly. So what we're talking about with content are the words and pictures and all the things on your front page here. Okay, and what you guys have is about 660, 675 words of content on this front page, which is basically what your highest competitors are doing as well. But you're going to want to bump that up because the average front page in Google has 1,900 words of content. So if you can bump it up to around 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this front page, you're going to be seen as more authoritative and being able to answer the question that customers are looking for when Google starts looking to put them in front of somebody. Okay, so that's the first thing I would do is increase your content here. And with the increased content, you're also going to be able to incorporate some of those keywords that people are searching for. And this is going to help you rank up a lot quicker on the organic searches. Okay, so after that, you want to make yourself trustworthy, and Google judges you based off how many other websites are linking to you. So you want to get uh, good, relevant links to you that have a lot of power, like other plumbing companies, so that Google sees you as trustworthy. All right. If you have Pizza Hut linking to you, Google would know that you're not a pizza company, so it really wouldn't work out to you well. So what we do is we go in here and look at Ahrefs, which is a little tool I have, and you guys are doing really well when it comes to backlinks. Okay, you got 71 referring domains, giving me 319 backlinks, and it's basically driving $4,800 worth of traffic value to you every single month. Okay, so uh, right now you're actually outdoing the backlink game uh, over Roto-Rooter and uh, Norfolk Plumbing, who are actually ranking higher in the organics. So I have to think that maybe it's a keyword issue and a content issue for you that's keeping you from being able to rank higher than them in the organics, and that's easy to fix. All right. So lastly, what we're going to talk about is when people come in there and search for plumber Norfolk or Norfolk plumber, they are ready to buy. Okay, they're going to call the first plumber that shows up that seems trustworthy. All right. So right here, these things at the top here, excuse me, these are ads, and ads are hit or miss. They're not a sure thing. They cost money for one, and two, people bypass them often. A lot of people don't trust them, or have had a bad experience in the past, or they may even have an ad blocker so they don't even see them. Okay, so the money spot is right here. It's the map pack, the Google My Business section right here, and how you rank up into these top three is through citations. Okay, and citations are your name, address, and phone number in directories across the web. So the more directories you can get into, the higher you're going to rank up for citations, and the higher rank you're going to get into this section. If you can get on this front three, that's where people are going to be picking their next plumber. That's exactly where I go to choose local business time and time again. Okay. So an easy thing we can do is we can go through to Norfolk Plumbing or Norfolk Heating and Air or Discount Plumbing Co. and we can see what citations, what directories they're working with. Okay, and we can get you on those same directories and have you rank up. Okay, so as you can see, with a few little tweaks here and there that won't cost you anything, we can get you ranking in this map pack, which is definitely business. We can get you ranking higher than Roto-Rooter or Norfolk Plumbing Inc. on the organic searches, and that's definitely going to drive more business to you. Okay, so that's all I got for you today. I hope this was informative. And as a recap, um, just need to get more keywords, I think, on your website. Um, you're killing the backlink game. So we just need to get some more citations for you. Okay. And if you want to do this all yourself, please feel free. This is just education. I'm trying to help as many business owners as I can. Just all I ask is that you send some feedback, 1 or 2 lines. Tell me if this was valuable to you. And if you want help doing it, give us a call. My phone number is right here, 757-354-2802. Either way, I appreciate you taking time to watch the video and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.